What's up, my beautiful people? Today I am gonna make some turkey neck, aka ghetto oxtail, with some broad bean. So that's my turkey neck there, guys. As you can see, it is round and it is full of meat. So that's exactly how you want yours to be. These are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of everyday seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. And guys, first you just want to blend all of your seasoning together. Just make sure everything is all combined, okay? So after I blend all of my seasoning together, now I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over on my turkey neck. So after I sprinkle my seasoning on my turkey neck, now I'm just gonna take my hands and I'm just gonna massage all that seasoning right on my turkey neck. Guys, just make sure that all of your turkey neck is covered with seasoning, okay? Because you want it to be nice and full of flavor, yeah. And you can always use a gloves, okay? So I'm just finishing up seasoning my turkey neck, guys. So that's what it look like. So these are all of my herbs. Here I have 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, and just a small amount of fresh thyme and some spring onion. I also have 1 spoon of browning, okay? And just a teaspoon of pimento seed. So guys, now I'm just gonna start off by adding my browning to my turkey neck. So what I did, I just add some water to my container where the browning is, and I'm just removing the remaining browning because I don't want to waste none. So that's why it's look like that. So now you're just gonna take your hand, guys, and you just want to mix it all in. Just make sure all the turkey neck is all covered with the browning, okay? So after I had my browning, now I'm gonna add my onions, my garlic, my pimento seed, and my fresh thyme and my spring onions, okay? Guys, to be honest, I normally would add some Scotch bonnet pepper and some ginger, but I run out of it. I don't have any. So please use your Scotch bonnet pepper and use your ginger because it's gonna make a big difference. Yeah. But if you don't have any Scotch bonnet pepper or any ginger, it should be fine. It's still gonna taste delicious because mine did. Now you're just gonna take your hands and you're just gonna massage all that herbs all over on your turkey neck, okay? And you can always leave your turkey neck to marinate for at least an hour. So now I'm just gonna brown my turkey neck. So here I have a pot on the stove And to my pot, I add at least 4 spoonfuls of vegetable oil. So now I'm just adding my turkey neck. Guys, make sure your stove is on a medium heat. So after I had all of my turkey neck, now I'm just gonna take my spoon and I'm just gonna stir it all in. And guys, you're just gonna allow it to brown for at least 6 minutes. So that's what my turkey neck looks like after 6 minutes. And guys, as you can see, it is nice and browned, and that's exactly how I want it. Cause what I'm doing, I'm just building up flavor. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So guys, that's the same bowl that I used to season my turkey neck in. So what I'm doing, I'm adding at least 1.5 cup of warm water to that bowl. Because that bowl right there, guys, with all that herbs that left, that's where all the flavor is. Do not throw it away. Then you're just gonna stir it and you're just gonna pour it on your turkey neck. Okay? Just take your time and do it slow. So guys, I'm gonna cook my turkey neck for at least 1 hour on a low heat, okay? And make sure you cover your pot because I want my turkey neck to cook slowly so it's nice and tender. Yeah. So guys, my turkey neck been cooking just for over 1 hour, and as you can see, I'm just poking my fork through it to see how tender it is. So it is not as tender as I would like it to be. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cook it for 40 minutes. And as you can see, the water is reduced from it. So I'm gonna add just a cup of water to it, okay? I left back some of my fresh thyme and my spring onions and my garlic. So now I'm just gonna add it to my pot, and I'm also gonna add some tomato, 2 large tomato. And as you can see guys, I chop it up finely. Then you just want to give it a stir so everything will all combine, okay? I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And you can always add some salt, just taste to your liking, okay? Just make sure you mix it all together so it is all blend. So guys, I want my turkey neck to be more darker, so I'm just gonna add 2 teaspoons of browning. So now I'm just gonna stir it. Just make sure everything is all combined together, as I said before. And make sure your pot is covered. So after 40 minutes, that's what my turkey neck look like. And guys, it looking so yummy already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add at least 2 spoons of ketchup to my pot. Okay? And 1 spoon of brown sugar just to blend out the taste of the ketchup. Okay? And I'm gonna also add 1 carrot, guys, 1 chopped carrot. And at least 1 to 2 spoonful of hot pepper sauce, because I don't have any Scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm just gonna use hot pepper sauce instead. Then after you add your hot pepper sauce, you just want to stir it, guys. Just make sure everything is all combined. Okay? So guys, this is totally optional, but I leave back some of my tomato because I just want to add it to this part, but it is totally optional. Okay? So that's my butter bean right there, and I'm gonna add it to my pot soon. So before I had my butter beans, now I'm just gonna add some bell pepper, and as you can see, guys, that's all the colors. I'm adding half of bell peppers. Okay? So after you add your bell pepper, you just want to stir it, and guys, just look at that color. That color just look amazing. This dish, guys, is a must try. It is absolutely delicious. So as you can see right there, I'm adding my butter beans. And guys, you're just gonna allow it to cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Yeah, on a low heat, okay? This is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add 1 spoon of butter, and I'm gonna also add just a tiny bit of fresh thyme, okay? So my ghetto oxtail, aka turkey neck, is all finished, guys, and that's what it look like. I'm telling you, it looking so good. Look at the gravy. It is nice and thick. Guys, that's exactly how I want it. Make sure you share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. And please, guys, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit your notification button so you can receive more delicious videos like these. Rice and peas is a good combination for turkey neck. So guys, right in a pot here, yes, so I have some rice and peas for me turkey neck. So what me I gonna do? Me I gonna just plate it out for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So stay tuned. So guys, See, I have my rice and peas on the plate there, and I also have some salad. So now I'm just gonna share out my turkey neck, and may I tell you, it look good. It look good, it tastes good. Guys, this recipe is a must try. It is absolutely delicious. Run go tell your family and your friend about a video, yeah, cause they will never regret it. Trust me. Especially if them try it. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed. Jody cooking. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.